Students, you go on page number 98. Students, it is 11th chapter in your social science book and geography under number first. Chapter name is our environment. Let us try to understand, students, in detail about of this chapter. First topic is environment. What is environment? Students, the word environment is derived from the French word environner, which means environner means here, students, to surround. Therefore, environment refers to the surroundings within which an organism exists. These surroundings or conditions may be natural or artificial. Keep it in your mind. Environment, students, environment word derived from the French word environner. This means surround, and environment may be natural or artificial. Hence, the components of the environment comprise, students. There are two types of components of our environment. Number first is natural environment and number second is human made. The natural environment that comprises living and non-living things that occur naturally on the earth. Keep it in your mind. What is natural environment? The natural environment that comprises living and non-living things, goods that occur naturally on the earth. Number second is the artificial or human-made environment that consists of the elements which developed as a result of interaction between humans and nature. For example, park, dam, houses and so on. These all are example of artificial or human-made environment. What is natural environment? The natural environment in turn may be divided into two parts. Number first is physical elements or the abiotic environment, and number second is biological elements or the biotic environment. Let us try to understand one by one what is abiotic environment and what is biotic environment. Abiotic environment, this comprises the inorganic or non-living things. Yes, students, this environment, inorganic or non-living things in the environment based on the physical state and features. It is divided into the lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. Number second, biotic environment. The biotic environment comprises all forms of life including plants and animals. The three spheres, three parts, lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere meet to form a narrow zone of interaction which supports life is called the biosphere. Yes, students, biosphere. The biosphere therefore includes the biotic and abiotic environment. The biosphere extends from the bottom of the ocean about 11,000 meters below sea level to the top of the highest mountains about 9,000 meters above sea level. Thank you, student.